Hey, Big Man here. This audio is a work of fiction that mentions what some may find to be tough situations. Please read the warnings and make a decision of whether this audio is okay for you. This audio finds you, the listener, in an abusive relationship. Though this is a work of fiction, if you or someone you love finds yourself in a real-life abusive relationship, please seek help immediately. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for listening to Big Man. A-S-M-R. Tell him how we met. Why don't you tell him? Oh, that's right, 'cause it gets more and more outlandish each time. It is fun to hear you tell it though, but it's very much one of those I caught a fish this big stories when you tell it, where no one really believes I swooped in like some superhero and saved you from a pack of wolves by wrestling each one to the ground with my bare hands. Yes, dear. Guess I do have massive bare hands, bud. So, I was delivering mail on my usual route. Hey, Mr. Stanley, sure is a beautiful day out. Morning, Miss Francis. Your garden sure is looking magnificent. Yeah, it really is. You know just what to plant to attract the butterflies and hummingbirds I see. Oh well, here's your mail. Gotta run. Hey, Todd. How's it hanging, my man? Oh yeah. Sun's out, guns out, you know. Just your neighborhood meathead mailman at your service. I see you've been hitting the gym real hard too. Can't say that I blame you for mowing the lawn shirtless. You better watch out for that Miss Francis next door, though. That one's a cougar. Enjoy this beautiful weather out, and congrats on the gains, man. I'll catch you next time, brother. Oh, shit. Is that... Oh, no. That dog's chasing someone. Hold on, I'm coming. Get out of here, now. Hey, are you alright? Let's get you inside in case there's more. Here, I'll carry you. Yeah, I got you. Oh yeah. This is one of the parts they exaggerate on. My muscles are rippling, bursting the seams of the shirt as I carried them to safety, or what I thought was safety. What? You don't want to go home? You'd rather stay out here and get eaten by wild dogs or something? You're going home. Here, your house key's on the lanyard you're wearing. Hey, you're all right. You're home. You're safe with me. The dog is gone. Didn't even break the skin. Just ripped your jeans a little. What makes me so mad about dogs like that is it was probably some asshole or jerk who abused it. It wasn't taught love. It's probably not its fault, really. It just didn't know any better. Why are you still trembling? Oh, this is a big place. You must not be alone. Sorry to intrude. I'll get going now. Okay, I'll stay. I just noticed. You got a black eye. I'm no rocket scientist. I'm a mailman. But I know damn well the dog didn't do that. Who did this to you? Your boyfriend. Are you kidding me? That's why you didn't want to come back home. Hey, boyfriend, are you here? Be a real man and show your face. Oh, you say his keys are gone, so he must be gone too. Well, I can't just leave you here to get beat up again. Yeah, let me call my boss. Hey, boss. Yeah, I'm okay. I know, I never call. I have this little issue and, yeah, I need the rest of the day to handle it. Oh, thanks, boss. I'll see you bright and early tomorrow. You're the best. All right, I got the rest of the day. Maybe even as long as it takes to make sure that you're safe. Oh, your mail. I almost forgot that part. Your paycheck? I don't know. I just look at the name and address. I don't know about you, but I've worked up an appetite. You want to get out of here and grab a bite at Mel's Diner down the street? Yeah? Well, consider me your bodyguard in case we run into that boyfriend of yours. For his sake, let's hope we don't. Here, you can take my sunglasses to cover that shiner. Smells like what Grandma used to make. You've been here, right? No. It's only 3 blocks from your place and you ain't never been? Damn, you're in for a treat. You just forget about everything that happened today. It's gonna be alright. After you have a taste of something this good, there ain't no turning back. You're gonna be just fine, you hear me? Well, that's how we met. Maybe one of us will tell you how the abusive boyfriend got exactly what was coming to him. Or how my proposal was sidelined by a little bout of food poisoning. Yeah, babe, I'm still so glad I met you. I wouldn't change it for the world.